Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it's because you're so sick of the same sound every time you get SMS or a message. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you how to change your sound so you can either make it none and then it just vibrates. You can't really hear that, but if I put on none, it vibrates. And then there's some other ones. So you can change it. A little droplet might be better. And then, as you can see, there's not as many selections as ringtones, but this is for your text tones, okay? So go ahead and mess around with this. Once again, I'm going to show you how to get there. We're going to go to Settings on your iPhone front page. Then we're going to go to Sounds and Haptics, okay? Once you get to Sound and Haptics, then we're going to go down to Text Tone. And then you can put it on None, which I leave it on, so it doesn't disturb me. But then you can get off of this default note. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking or subscribing. I always appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.